Hi guys, so now I'm going to be talking about how to get yourself out of the suitor position while dating and stop trying to vet men. Okay, so like I said in my last video about getting yourself out of the suitor position while going out, it applies differently for when you are dating. Okay, so one thing I'm very serious about is not centering men in dating and everything in your love life. First of all, because it's desperate. Secondly, because you don't need to. You don't need to do that in order to be successful. It actually repels success because everybody can feel that thirst off of you. So, this is what I try to get people to understand all the time. You don't need to center it for the success to come because it will come if you're not centering it. So I don't know why people keep missing that in my message, but so when you are dating, after the first date, this guy takes you to a great place. You go out to eat, or he plans another event like, oh, well, we're going out to drinks, then we're going out to eat, then we're going bowling, or then I'm taking you somewhere or whatever. Right. So after you go on the date, your job is not to start doing stuff to make him like you more. He already likes you because he took you on the date. You get it? So, getting him trying to do more things to make him like you after the first date is only going to repel him, and now you're putting yourself in the spot of pursuing him. So all of this, what do I do now? How do I get him to text me? How do I get him to do this? He's going to do that because if he took you on a nice date, he spent his money, he's trying to see you again. Okay? He already likes you. You don't have to, you know, put like double down on being likable. Okay? He already decided that he liked you, especially if he offered to take you on another date after that. So, after the date, you want to relax back. First of all, because you should not have all of your eggs in one basket after one date. You should not be that obsessed with this guy and decided on everything after a few hours of being with him. Stop doing that. Seriously. Because you don't know this person. It's unsafe and it's weird. Stop doing it. Okay? So, honestly, you just relax back. Let him reach out to you. And the thing is, if he does not reach out to you, then it's his loss. He just spent his money. It's his loss. And that's showing you right there the type of person that he is. Because he's probably a high maintenance guy who wants you to chase him, which is not somebody you want to date. Because it will never end. It will never be enough. You will constantly be chasing them. It will just be a long, continuous snowball effect. So you do not want to fall in that position, and you want to show up and make sure you're showing self-respect for yourself by showing them, look, if you're going to pursue me, then one date was not enough. You know, if you're serious about me and you're not just doing this for everybody that you come in contact with, then you need to do more and show up in more ways than one date. Because if he thinks that's all it is to get you in a bag at after one date, imagine what 3 months from then is going to look like. Okay? Imagine what a year from then is going to look like. That's giving you all you need to know right there. So you need to chill, relax back, and you should have multiple options. Or even if you aren't dating multiple people, you should be taking more time for yourself to invest in your own hobbies, working, or something like that. You should not be obsessing in your mind over this individual, because until they give you more than one date and some text to obsess over, it's nothing to be obsessed over. Okay? Nothing to be obsessed over. So, yeah, you can hit me up on Actual Black Mermaid on Instagram, or hit me up at Imani_Yvonne2 on Twitter. You can also hit me up there if you want to reach out to me for a session. Sessions are $95. They are email only, not phone call, no meetups, because that would be unfair to everybody and I would never get any sleep at all. So you can see success in under 9 weeks if you are following along. Most of my clients see success in the first 4 weeks. So, yeah, I will be talking to you guys later. I love you guys. Thank you.